Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to watch live TV on ITVX. Now if you want to watch live TV on ITVX but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to watch live TV on ITVX, you need to simply follow this. Now the first step will be to go to ITVX live on a browser. Now you can't simply watch it live from your device, or if you are using device then you need to open and sign into your ITVX account, and there you need to select the, it may take some time, so wait for it. So after that you will see the option of live at the very bottom of taskbar, so you need to click on the option of live. So after clicking on live, choose the ITV channel you want to watch, so wait for it, so it may take some time. So after that you will see the ITV channels like this. So if you want to select the ITV channel which you think is good for you, so let's say if I want to watch this, and you need to click on the option, and here you'll see the option of watch live. So after clicking on this, make sure that you are signed into your account first. So after clicking on this, it will be start to play on your channel, or you may also need to select the TV which you are watching. So simply select the TV which you are watching by clicking on the option or the name of the TV. So that's it. So if you are using web browser, you need to simply go on web browser and you need to sign into your ITVX account and click on live TV at the very home page, and then you need to select the channel you want to watch. For example, if you want to watch ITV1 or ITV2, then you need to simply select those channel and you may watch the live on your TV. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.